All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Bonk token. Over the past 2 hours, the amount of comments that are coming in requesting to make an update about Bonk is crazy because, we've seen a little bit of a retracement, a little bit of a cool off, which is causing a lot of people to panic. So let's waste no more time and discuss what's happening with Bonk and whether or not you should really be panicking. If we're looking at the entire market compared to earlier this morning, you guys can see we're starting to see more coins going into red right now, and that is due to the fact that Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a teeny tiny retracement, and of course Bitcoin dominance has gone up a little bit, which of course is causing some of these coins to be down right now. So let's waste no more time and take a look at Bonk right now. So if we're looking at Bonk, it's still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 1109, down about 10% over the past 24 hours in UST and BTC comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap currently sitting at $680 million with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $180 million, which is really nice to see. And yes, as of now, we have not heard anything regarding a centralized exchange coming in and listing it. And not just any ordinary centralized exchange. We're talking about top tier, tier one exchanges. As of now, there hasn't been any sort of announcement. But, main reason as to why we've seen Bonk really go absolutely insane is because, developments that are happening. And of course, Solana is absolutely killing it. Its ecosystem has kept me awake. I'm going absolutely insane on the Solana blockchain right now, and ecosystem is exploding, especially the NFT and a lot of the native tokens as well. But let's take a closer look at Bonk right now. We know that the interest, as far as the hype factor is involved, that is once again coming into Bonk, and it's at its all-time high in terms of hype. We're seeing people that did not even mention Bonk before turning into the biggest maximalist all of a sudden, which is really funny, of course. But that is what happens when projects like these pump up. Traction is on its side. We do tend to see people FOMO in, which is quite funny to see, because a few months back, some of these people might be the same people that were talking bad about Bonk. And what we've seen happen is a lot of these other meme coin holders have, allocated some of their profits into Bonk, which is also a reason as to why we've seen a huge spike within the price. But again, guys, it's due to Solana blockchain. And Solana really didn't have a proper meme coin that actually, stayed within the top 100 coins. But, we've seen Bonk really come and take that spot and is the biggest meme coin ever launched on the Solana blockchain. And that is absolutely insane. That is historic on its own. But, we're going to talk about the price, because the price is what people are worried about right now. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let me show you the price of Bitcoin. So as you can see on the hourly time frame, we can really see what's happening with BTC. So Bitcoin is seeing a retracement compared to this morning. We were sitting at about $44,600, and right now we're sitting at $43,777. So of course there is a retracement occurring in the price of BTC, which explains to us why we're seeing some of these coins turning into red. That is to be expected. The entire market is correlated with the price of Bitcoin, and obviously when Bitcoin sees a retracement like it's seeing right now, this is going to impact a lot of coins, and which is doing right now. But let's not forget all these coins that are down right now. If we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, all these coins are up quite a bit, and that should be what you need to be focusing on, not the daily price, the hourly time frame. Bonk itself on the monthly time frame is up 500%, and on the weekly time frame it's up 146%, and even these numbers are a little inaccurate. I think it's up even more compared to that. But after seeing a project, let's put this into perspective, guys. This project has been hitting all-time highs after all-time highs after all-time highs. Let's actually put it into perspective. As I've mentioned to you guys, if you picked up Bonk on November 9th, which was literally a month ago, A month ago was November 9th, and if you picked it up at that range, you saw the price of Bonk go up 856%, guys. This is absolutely mind-boggling. 876% increase within the price in one single month. And these are factors people tend to forget. So after having such a massive rally in just a matter of a month, seeing a cool off of about 30% is very normal. And this is why, go back to any video of mine. If you're sitting at massive profits, I always emphasize locking in these profits. And some people think, I'm out here sounding crazy, but no, you want to be locking in profits, because guess what? If you locked your profits in, of course, you can't time anything. That's so true. This is something you need to keep in mind. You can't time the top. You cannot time the top. So the easiest way for you to lock in profits is, asking yourself a question. Hey, you know what? Hey, I'm up about 7-8x. Should I lock in some profits? Is this money that I'm sitting at in profits, is it too much that I cannot afford to lose? If the answer is yes, then you best believe to lock some of these profits in. So right now, of course, this project has seen such a huge spike. So 30% retracement is very much normal. And of course, early comers are going to come and take profits as well. And these are some factors we need to keep in mind. But long-term perspective, I think Bonk has a huge long-term horizon. I really think what Bonk has done in such a short period of time, it's giving me early Pepe beginnings, but in a better way, because of course team on this side is better in my opinion. And I'm not saying that Pepe team is not good. The new team has made some good choices, but the old team, overall motives and overall actions are costing them right now, in my opinion. But Bonk being a Solana based project, the biggest market cap coin, almost hit $1 billion mark, speaks for itself. And I think this hype is not ending anytime soon. This is like I said, beginning to really remind me of Pepe, and could really in the bull run. And some people in the crypto Twitter are saying, no, this is not going to take over Shiba Inu. But what makes us say that? What can make us say that it can't take over Shiba Inu? This is the meme coin. It has a massive community backing, and in the bull run, you never know what can happen. At the end of the day, meme coins should be treated like meme coins. There's no utility attached to meme coins. So, what you need to be doing is, yes, you can make some life-changing gains, but speaking about life-changing gains, you need to go in the bull market with an exit strategy. I still think Bonk does have, a lot of capacity to push more towards the upside. See some levels that no one probably can imagine. But with that said, if you just go in blindly without an exit plan, you will be left behind. Of course, next 12 to 15 months, we could see this actually becoming and labeling itself as a king of the Solana blockchain as far as meme coins are concerned. But with that said, hear me out carefully. If you do not have an exit strategy and you go in blindly, you will be left behind. But that is it for today's update. Like I said, nothing to worry about after having such a huge retracement. These are normal moves, and this is why you do not want to be FOMOing in. And if you got in early, lock those profits in. But like I said, I don't think this is anything to worry about. I still think there's still more steam left for Bonk towards the upside. But again, at the end of the day, it's just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. Do pay very close attention to BTC. If Bitcoin drops below the support line, we could expect a Bonk to drop a little lower. Right now, there's no resistance is literally for support line. So there is, well, you could say these wicks from before are a support. We could, okay, now hear me out. This support is extremely important. If this support does not hold, there is a chance that Bonk can fall down to 9001 zone, and that's of course if Bitcoin sees a retracement, and that's a move of about 17.8% down. So if you were kicking yourself for not picking up some Bonk early on, the opportunity is there once again to dollar cost average in. But like I've said, always treat meme coins like meme coins. If you have, let's say you've done your due diligence and research and have $100 that you could afford to lose, invest half of that. Literally invest half of what you can even afford to lose, because you could make a lot of money just off of even small positions in a meme coin, but at the end of the day, risk factor is absolutely insane. So that's how I personally minimize my risk when it comes to meme coins. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace.